Seeing it right now. A fare to Jersey just came in and it paid like a fifth of my rent. Oh. Would it be the worst thing in the world if I didn't make it tonight? You know what? No, never mind. I'll just, I shouldn't have even asked. I'll just pass on the ride and I'll be there in 10.
No, Gregory, don't do that.
You gotta take it. Took a second job to make money.
Make the money.
Thank you for understanding. I promise I'll make it up to you.
Okay.
It's about time, Jacob, get up. Oh, okay, hold on. Just want to switch my song real quick. How'd things go with Zach? Went great. He looks great. Sounds great. Overall, just that's great. He better not sing anything ironic, and he certainly better not sing ironic.
Yeah, well, you know, I love the boy, but he's always pitchy and he refuses to use his diaphragm.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing, don't give a fuck. This is my last resort.
Jacob, I know you said you're okay, but the songs you have in the queue, they sound quite alarming.
Is this because Zach's got a new guy? No, he's a serial monogamist. That was inevitable. Just that Zach has done so much since we broke up. You know, he's gotten back into theater.
Yeah.
He's got his dream apartment, new friends. I didn't recognize anybody in his karaoke room. You know, he's moving forward, and I don't know. I feel stuck. This is the part where you tell me I'm doing great and I'm overreacting. Sometimes the best thing that you can do for someone is just be a mirror. Like, hey, look, I helped RJ get into golf. Yes. You know, I got the school a counselor, so...
You did.
Mm-hmm.
And those are amazing professional wins. But sweetheart, there's more to life than work.
Mm-hmm. Maybe it's time for you to start looking for whatever your dream apartment is.
Hey, you might even think about looking for something deeper in your dating life. Hey, it can't be that hard with your driller app and everything.
So Ava just texted. Turns out she's gonna come after all.
Great.
I can't believe you are not letting me choose a song.
Well, I can't believe he bought another condo where he can barely take me out on dates.
It has an outdoor pool.
We live in Philadelphia.
It's like if I'm driving to make money, so I'm not stressed about going out, but then I'm missing that when I'm driving, and what's the point? It's like I'm going in circles.
But you are going in the right way, right?
I meant it metaphorically.
Dang, surge pricing's 5 times the normal fare? You gonna accept that ride or what?
Maria F is 5 minutes away. You don't have to wait with me.
Of course I'm gonna wait with you.
My family used to go out to eat at chain restaurants all the time. It was like my dad's favorite thing to do. But he has the worst taste.
I kind of like chain restaurants.
Me too. But I was talking about his taste in women. He started a second family with a waitress at one of those restaurants. Queso dips are very triggering for me now.
Thank you for telling me that. I don't really like queso dip anyway, so it won't be hard to avoid on our next date.
This day doesn't have to end right now. I was invited to karaoke tonight. I wasn't planning on gracing him with my talents, but you want to go with me?
I'm down.
Go ahead.
No. I don't hurt your feelings. I know you're sensitive.
I ain't sensitive. Go ahead, make your little joke.
What divorced lesbian did you steal the Subaru from?
I'm getting my car.
She's like your best friend, right?
What are you talking about? She sounds just like him.
I crushed it.
Okay.
This is me. What's up, guys? Sounds great. great, Melissa.
Thank you.
As you guys know, Gregory was supposed to be here, but he couldn't make it. But it's okay because in his honor, I'm gonna do both parts of the duet, which shouldn't be hard. Done it before. It's a very lonely High School Musical fan. So here we go. Okay. I'm not always there when you call, but I'm always on time. Gave you my all. Now, baby, come on.
Give me a piece of this lady guy, lover. You know, we're gonna be like no other. No, I got a lot of things I need to explain.
So, baby, you know the name.
And love is about pain, so stop the complaints and drop the order of restraints. My sex life is a game, so back me down in the pain.
I can't wait no more.
Bill?
Elijah.
Hi, Elijah. I'm Jacob.
Hi, Jacob. That was really risky, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm so glad that worked.
What were you gonna do if you didn't?
Probably say, hey, I'm Jacob, the guy you forgot to hit on earlier.
It's also pretty good.
Thank you. What brings you to karaoke?
It is my friend's birthday, and I volunteered to get the drinks because I hate singing.
Do you think I can get your number?
Are you sure? I'm gonna put it in as Bill. There you go.
All right.
See you, Jacob.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Okay, Jacob, I see you.
Come on, I'll show you where the room is.
Ava, it's so great to see you. I want you to meet my new boyfriend.
White? It's actually pronounced Wyatt.
Right.
You're talking about how I'm looking around. Everyone's. I'm looking around.
Finally.
How did it go?
You see, Ray? We got time for one more song. Ava, you choose. Help me pick.
What do you even do? You know what? No, I'm done. I am done. Now.
Nope. Yep, stop.
Appreciate you, bro. Got the wrong idea about you at the district.
They got no more drama about Mary J on there?
Yeah, there's some things you just can't put a price on.
So sad.
You know, as somebody who usually shuns the spotlight, I never really got the appeal of karaoke, but it was fun. It was really fun.
Wasn't it? And you were so good.
No, I practiced the entire time I was driving.
You did?